Thanks, John Paul, for presenting and give us the opportunity. I am Jordi, main co-founder and strategy director of Candam Technologies. We are a deep tech company based in Barcelona, providing solutions for recovery and waste collection optimization, either in the public and private sector. Basically, the company now is in a phase of exponential growing, with more than 11 countries where we have partners, and also we made some deployments, and with 700 devices installed with our core technology that I will be explaining today, and more than 9,000 feeling level sensors deployed across Spain and Portugal. Basically, just today I will be focusing on what we call the smart ring, but also just to let you know that we have a full ecosystem starting from our core technology, feeling level sensor, smart locks, route optimization, and other tech and solutions that the waste management needs. And today I will be focusing on a success case based in Meliana. It's a city council in Spain, where they deployed our technology as the first step phase one, okay, and we achieved an incredible results. Before I would like to introduce the technology. We realized that on the 4 years ago, reverse vending machines based on deposit, they are effective, but they have limitations in terms of the possibility to operate outdoors, to accept other types of packaging items, and as it was explained in the previous presentation. Then in Candam, we decided to simplify the concept of the reverse, that is, identify or classify what is the packaging being recycled by the user or citizen. But instead of using computer vision and expensive optic techniques, we simplified in a specific IoT device that is called ResiSmart. It's a smart ring that can be fully adaptable to all type of urban bins that we see nowadays. And also, we adapted the technology since we receive many inquiries from different stakeholders, city authorities, and etc. We provide also as a smart bin machine that can fulfill city centers where the lorry cannot pick up the waste, seasides, campings, many places where the packaging waste is generated, and nowadays it's an issue. So basically, the technology, how it works, the user, citizen, they can identify themselves using an NFC card or a mobile app via Bluetooth Low Energy. Normally we provide the app, but also we can provide integrations that they can use the connectivity between the app and the device. And then they start to recycle. They introduce packaging items one by one into the glass bin, and our patented technology is capable to recognize the packaging material in real time. Okay, our secret sauce and link to what I have been explaining at the beginning about the optics. We use acoustic techniques based on HIA algorithms. It means that when the packaging item is dropped, we are capable, it is sliding through the tube and falling down. We are able to capture the audio signature and provide in real time, okay, this is glass, this is plastic, this is metal, this is carton, etc. Therefore, the technology is capable to identify who is recycling what. And the best thing is that acoustic technology, it consumes much less energy, can be fully protected in a plastic coverage, what is called IP67. So it's one of the top highest protections against dust and water. So it's a technology ready to be deployed and use our urban collection. Okay. Then all the data collected about who is recycling what, when, and where, it will be used to provide the right incentive that I will be explaining later on. Basically, the material precision that we have is 95% and above, and we are adding also even new sensors based on this value proposition to provide more capacity on material classification and also interclass material. Also, we provide a full ecosystem software that is based on an app, but also a marketplace for introduce as a first initial step incentive schemes, and also what we called our pay-as-you-throw sense platform, that when we collect enough data, I will be explaining in the last part of the PTT, we can collect and get some data combined with the AI to demand and to provide the right pay-as-you-throw for the city authorities. Basically, what I'm explaining right now is the Meliana project, where they started to deploy 35 ResiSmart or smart rings into the municipality, 20 of glass, 22 of glass, the rest on lead packaging, providing an app and also providing custom campaign communications and BNews information to the project of Meliana. And the most interesting thing is Spain, as many countries, they need to introduce tax collection to cover, first of all, the deficitary cost, but also to compensate the citizens. In the meantime, that the tax collection and the pay per use or pay as you throw is being deployed, we can provide, as I said, a marketplace. And in that case, Meliana decided to link the redemption programs that they have for local commerce linked to our app. So in that case, the users, the citizens, when they recycle X specific type of packaging and they do it correctly, they are accumulating points, and these points can be exchanged with vouchers of discounts of 20 euros in the local commerce. Basically, this is how it looks, the implementation with the glass bin and light packaging for the other type of packaging items. And basically, the results is that we achieve, considering that we are just covering for this phase 45% of the territory for glass and only 25 per light packaging, more than 1,600 users. The city council, together with the citizens, they already redeem more than 1,000 coupons and offers that reverse to the local economy, achieving more than 100,000 recycled packaging items and 26 tons of CO2 emissions of CO2 avoided. We have an interesting data that also the vast majority of users, 81%, they are using app against the NFC card. Also, in terms of recycling analysis, we can take and we can analyze and extract many information, recycling by age group, also which are the top days and the top slots in the day where people is recycling. So this allows to also provide smart decision solutions to optimize not only the increase in recovery, but also to optimize the waste collection. And even we can know the hot spots, which places are more used, and then according to this, optimize the waste collection. We have in total nearly of 40% of the total household participation, considering that we just covering 45%. The results for us are really amazing. In less than 1 year, we achieve an increase in the total in absolute value, 28% in glass collection. Okay, so we consider that it's a total success. And now, thanks to this total success that I will be explaining, we are expanding the project as well. The quality of the material collected is nearly 100% pure. So also is not only about increasing the quantity, it's also increasing the quality, which is crucial to then avoid to improve the recycling and the sorting efficiency. But also, I know that we are in a glass loop, but also we have the same values and very interesting values for the lead packaging. We have pure materials of packaging materials, fully collected in the urban bins, similar to those ones that are collected into the reverse vending machines. Now we are entering in a second phase. The second phase basically is to broaden the implementation to at least cover 100% all the city of Meliana, that is 10,000 inhabitants, to equip all the bins at 100%, but also introducing filling level sensors for three main reasons. One of them is when there is a substantial increase in packaging recovery rates, You need to control overflows and then optimize, okay? And then the possibility to combining data about who is recycling what, when, and where, and also providing estimation on the filling level sensors together with the density, also information to then use on the third phase, that the third phase will be after 1 year, that we collect all this data, okay, and we apply the principles of pay as you throw. Basically, that principles, we take not we take data about waste generated by citizen, waste generated by Oreca channel, but also we combined with data coming from total population, verticality of the city, density, number of type and Oreca channel, socioeconomic profile. We take all this data and we mix it and put it through our AI models. That is pay-as-you-throw census scheme, and the pay-as-you-throw census scheme is splitting and providing real patterns to identify type of users, type of areas by clusters. And we have two double aims. First of all, is try to set up a fair and accurate pay-as-you-throw scheme based on a fixed fee and based on a variable fee. The variable fee will be more based on contributions. The fixed fee will be based on all these parameters that I've been explaining about number of residents, water consumption, many data. And on the other side, to continue boosting the collection growth, but also at the same time optimizing the waste collection. Okay, and basically the third phase of the project is what we are doing with all the deployments that now we are doing in Europe, starting with an incentive scheme that can be fully achievable and fully implemented in 0-1 without depending of any pay-as-you-throw deposit. And then when the cities are moving to a pay-as-you-throw tax collection, then we help them to achieve the last step and to achieve this 90% of recovery RAS grades that we were talking about at the beginning. Okay, and that's all. Thanks. This is a pool of clients that they trust Candam, and thanks for listening the company and me.